A very good morning to one and all present here. I'm Debarpan Bandyopadhyay of class 12 and I'm here to deliver a speech on the eminent personality Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda. Born as Narendranath Datta on 12th January 1863 in the holy and divine place of Kolkata, Swami Vivekananda was a great Indian saint. He was a figure with high thinking and simple living. He was a great pious leader, a philosopher, and also a devout personality with great principles. He was a principal disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa and was an initiator of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. He thus spent his whole life in the dispersion of the values embedded in the great Indian culture. Swami Vivekananda, the son of Sri Vishwanath and mother Bhuvaneshwari Devi, was called by the name Narendranath Datta in the early days. Narendra was a child of unquestioned expertise and intellectual capability who used to take grasp of all his school teachings as first sight. Narendra was a lover of heroism and was mystical by nature. Despite his upbringing in a spiritual family, he owned an argumentative personality in his infancy. His entire beliefs were assisted by an apt rationale and judgment behind them. Such a quality made him even put a question on the existence of the Almighty. He thus visited several saints and asked each one, "Have you seen God?" His spiritual quest was left unanswered until he met Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Swami Vivekananda met Ramakrishna Paramhansa for the first time when the latter visited the friend's residence in Kolkata. Conscious of the supernatural powers of Swami Vivekananda, he called him to Dakshineshwar. He had a deep insight that Swamiji's birth was a boon to mankind for the upliftment of the universe. Swamiji's fulfillment of his spiritual inquisitiveness made him finally acknowledge Ramakrishna Paramahansa in the figure of his Guru. He was moved from darkness to illumination by his Guru, as his deep gratitude and reverence for his Guru made him travel all the four directions for the diffusion of his Guru's teachings. Swamiji won the hearts of everyone by his incredible speech at Chicago by addressing the audience as "My brothers and sisters of America." Vivekananda quoted three words: "I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true." Thus, he set forward the worth of Indian religion, exhibiting the values of universal acceptance, oneness, and harmony despite multiplicity in cultures. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose once said, "Swamiji harmonized the East and the West, religion and science, past and the present, and that is why he is great." He played a prominent role in ending India's cultural remoteness from the rest of the world. A figure of highest ideals and great thoughts, Swamiji was an inspiration for the youth of India. Through his teachings, he wanted to fill the young brains with the power of self realization, character formation, to recognize their inner strengths, service to others, an optimistic outlook, tireless efforts, and a lot more. I would love to end my speech today by the evergreen words of Swamiji: "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Thank you.
নমস্কার। বীর সন্ন্যাসী স্বামী বিবেকানন্দর লেখা কবিতা ধৈর্য ধরো কিছু কাল, হে বীর হৃদয়। সূর্য যদি মেঘাচ্ছন্ন হয় কিছুক্ষণ, যদি বা আকাশ হেরো বিষণ্ণ গম্ভীর, ধৈর্য ধরো, ধৈর্য ধরো কিছু কাল, হে বীর হৃদয়। জয় তব যেন সুনিশ্চয়। শীত যায় গ্রীষ্ম আসে তার পাছে পাছে, ঢেউ পরে ওঠে পুনঃ তারই সাথে সাথে, আলো ছায়া আগাইয়া দেয় পরস্পরে। হও তবে ধীর স্থির বীর। জীবন কর্তব্য ধর্ম বড় তিক্ত জানি, জীবনের সুখচল বৃথা ও চঞ্চল, লক্ষ্য আজ বহু দূরে ছায়ায় মলিন। তবু চলো অন্ধকারে হে বীর হৃদয়, সবটুকু শক্তি সাথে লয়ে। কর্ম নষ্ট নাহি হবে, কোনো চেষ্টা হবে না বিফল, আশা হোক উন্মূলিত, শক্তি অস্তমিত। কোটি দেশ হতে তব জনমিবে উত্তর পুরুষ। ধৈর্য ধরো, ধৈর্য ধরো কিছুকাল হে বীর হৃদয়, কল্যাণের নাহিক বিলয়। জ্ঞানী গুণী মুষ্টিমেয় জীবনের পথে, তবুও তারাই হেথা হন কর্ণধার। জনগণ তাহাদের বোঝে বহু পরে, চাহিও না কারো পানে, ধীরে লয়ে চলো। সাথে তব ক্রান্তদর্শী দূরদর্শী যারা, সাথে তব ভগবান সর্বশক্তিমান। আশিস ঝরিয়া পড়ে তব শিরে, তুমি মহাপ্রাণ। সত্য হোক শিব হোক সকলই তোমার। নমস্কার।
प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो। चाहो तो पार करो। प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। एक लोहा पूजा में राखत, एक घर बधिक परो। एक लोहा पूजा में राखत, एक घर बधिक परो। सौ दुविधा पारस नहीं जानत। सौ दुविधा पारस नहीं जानत। कंचन करत खरो। प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। प्रभु जी मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो। चाहो तो पार कर
morning to everyone. I am Shreya Khimani from class 7D and I wish a very happy National Youth Day to everyone. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day, and since 1985, the event is celebrated in India every year. We celebrate this day to mark the birthday of the person, the man who changed the thought of people through the process of youth. The main purpose in our life is to serve and help others. Some of the moral values that we all should have and learn are the following. The most important moral value is to respect our elders. We should respect our parents who work so hard for us, our grandparents who love us so much, and our teachers who work hard for us, prepares us so that we can be successful in our future. We should help everybody who needs our help. We should help our mother in household work like cleaning, in markets to pick up bags, our teachers in our school, and our grandparents as well. We should help a blind person in crossing the road and wish our teacher in the corridors as well as in the classrooms. We should be polite to everyone. We should have some basic manners like when an elder is standing, we should get up and let him or her sit. We should not waste food and donate our clothes and food to the poor people who need it. Therefore, we should help everybody in our life and respect all our elders in our life and keep everyone happy. Thank you, and I wish that you all have a very nice day ahead.
A very good morning to all. I would like to thank our Honorable Rector Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all the respected teachers for their logistic support and the guidance they extended to us. I would also like to thank all the participants and the audience. Because of your presence today, this event has achieved such a great success. Once again, thank you all.